Thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. So today I'm working on it's a flow meter. It had gotten water in on the battery terminal and it had corroded it and it broke off. So what I'll be doing today is I'm gonna clean this off, and I made this right here. It's like a little copper 18-2, and it will slide up through the back of the housing here. So you can see there's like a little gap right here, right there, and it's just gonna slide up through there. So I'm gonna solder this on there first, and first I'm gonna clean it real good and then solder it. I'm gonna clean it with isopropyl alcohol. So there's a lot of corrosion in here. See, they used a steel wire. I couldn't find one that small, so I'm using copper. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tip of my soldering iron, go right there, melt that, and we'll leave that steel piece in there, and just for support of this copper piece. Let's see if I can get it to work. Alright, I'm going to pause the video and I'll start it back up once I get this soldered. So there's the finished product. Comes up through, so the battery will touch that. That's what the other side looks like. So I'd like to say a special thanks to my daughter, because she was able to get it with the fine tip soldering iron, and I was having a hard time getting it up in there, and she was able to come in with her left hand and get it to solder. So special thanks to Marina. Thanks. Please like and subscribe.